Hey guys, Daily Driven Supply Co. We're back. We're going to do an Ech2o demo, CarPro Ech2o. So you can use Ech2o as a waterless wash, and you can also use it as a detail spray. Right now, we have it diluted in our IK multi-TR1 sprayer. You could also get this at ddsupply.co. Diluted 1 to 10 because our car is a little bit dirty here. So 1 to 10 in the IK bottle. What you're going to do is you're going to spray the panel liberally. You let it sit for 10 to 20 seconds, and then you're going to take a 350 GSM towel, and you're going to go in straight lines, switching to a clean side every time, and then buff it off. So that's what we're going to do here. And you guys want to spray this really liberally. So this product would be really good for something like our IK multi-sprayers that we carry, the Multi Pro 9 or Multi Pro 12, or even the Pro 2s, so you don't blow out your forearm spraying this on. As you guys can see, it's already taken a lot of the dirt and running it off. Now that it's sat for a little bit, we're going to take our 350 GSM towel. Your choice, we sell the Rag Company 350 GSM edgeless towels. It'd be perfect for this use. And you're going to take it, and you're going to do one wipe. And take all that dirt off. Again, once the side gets dirty, you're going to flip to the next side. And you can see it's even taken those deep tar deposits right off. Then again, dirty, flip to a new side. Boom. So clean, you can even see the key mark. So again, purchase this at ddsupply.co or DM us on Instagram if you're local, and we could schedule a local pickup at ddsupply.co. Thank you guys.